The intelligent, multifunctional, accurate universal digital multimeter UT71B is designed to perform a wide range of measurements. So why is it intelligent? The term intelligent is in the narrow sense applied to devices which use data processing to acquire new functions. In the fields of electrical measurements and measurement conversions of multidimensional data arrays that consist of multiple electrical signals, the basic measurement purposes of a metering device are usually supplemented by a whole range of additional ones, thus resulting in the extension of the number of supported functions. Thus, the metering device becomes multifunctional in its intelligence and functions. Now let's talk about some of the peculiarities of such device. A clear LCD display with an additional scale. Basic performance indicators, measuring voltage, current, frequency, capacitance, resistance, testing of diodes, and of course continuity testing with sound. The device also supports a couple of specific functions: registration of signal amplitudes, peak hold, as well as relative measurement mode or relative mode, mode of displaying minimum and maximum values on an LCD display, energy saving mode, sleep mode, an essential function for saving the power supply elements, storage of the most recent measurements, double display backlight reflecting the frequency of viewing parameters on the display, storage of display data, data hold, PC connection interface. Thanks to the additional functions of intelligent devices, like this one, the load of processing signals by the control block is decreased. This results in the possibility of replacing multiple devices with a single one, thus providing an obvious advantage in both production of such devices and the cost of their maintenance.